BH. Good morning. This is cause number 2017-70431. In the interest of Hunter Angelo Collins, all parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
I'm Crystal Iso and I'm his mom.
Sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Lionel Collins, and I am the child's father.
And representing the state of Texas.
Kavita Sharma for the state. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. We have a suit for modification of child support order. We're having a hearing. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Yes, Judge.
And do we have any stipulations?
We do, Your Honor, and I can read those into the record.
All right.
And I would also ask the court to take judicial notice of the previous order, the agreed child support review order, confirmation of arrears and modification that was signed on December 2nd, 2018. Stipulation we have, Judge, our parties agree that Mr. Collins will maintain the health insurance through TRICARE, and that covers medical and dental. Parties also agree that guideline child support amount is $598. The child does receive $232 from Social Security Disability. So parties agree that current child support will be set at $366 to supplement the current disability Social Security. Parties also agree any uncovered health costs will be split between two parties. Parties agree that court costs will be billed to Mr. Collins. What parties do not agree to, Your Honor, we can get to when you're ready.
All right. What is the issue?
The non-disclosure finding, Judge.
12/21/18. Okay, hold on. Let me pull up this case. Okay, let's proceed.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call Mr. Lionel Collins.
All right.
Mr. Collins, is there a reason why you do not want to have your information disclosed to the other party?
A reason why I don't have a problem with my information being disclosed.
Okay. And is there a reason why you are opposed to the other party non-disclosing her residential address to you?
I do have an issue with that in regards to I'm supposed to pick up my child from her physical address, and in regards to mailing information or if there's an emergency in regards to my child, I need to know that information. Now, I suggested that we meet at a constable's precinct from now on, because initially we were supposed to meet at Walmart due to the modification, but Ms. Isom did not adhere to said modification. So while we're in court, I suggest that we put on file that we meet at a constable's precinct.
Okay, but are you saying that you do want to have access to her address because of mailing documents for your child?
And emergencies, in case of emergencies.
Okay, Judge, I pass this witness.
Ms. Isom, do you have any questions of Mr. Collins?
No, but he has my address.
Well, wait a minute,
So,
wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. I'm just asking you, do you have any questions of Mr. Collins?
No.
All right, Ms. Sharma, go ahead.
Thank you. I'd like to call Ms. Isom.
Yes,
Ms. Isom, what is your full name for the court, please?
my full name,
Yes.
Crystal Kiera Isom.
And is there a reason why you want your address kept confidential from Mr. Collins?
No, he has my address.
So there's no non-disclosure problem here, it seems.
Right.
No, not at all.
Oh, okay, so now,
Okay.
so there's no issue.
My only
Correct.
issue is receiving my child. That's just
Yep,
that's the
that's fine. I guess you need to submit an agreed order.
yes.
Okay.
Sharma?
Thank you, Judge. We will do that.
All right, thank you.
Maria, can you put them in a separate breakout room with Stella?
Are you handling the Garza default, Ms. Sharma?
Yes, Judge, I am.
Do we have somebody else here?
It looks
Uh,
like she's connecting to audio, Judge.
Maria? Just exit out. Okay. Is she on video or telephone?
She's on video, Judge.
Okay. All right, there you are. Oh, unmute yourself, please. Tequila. Okay. All right, this is cause number 2013-43391. In the interest of Christian Adrian Garza, please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Laura Garcia Jaramillo. I'm the mom.
All right, and representing the state,
Kavita Sharma for the state.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Kevin Santiago Garza. Mr. Garza was personally served on April 9th, 2021 at 5:25 p.m. at 5005 Georgie Lane, 23 Houston, Harris County, Texas. He has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct?
Judge, he has not filed an answer, but he did make an appearance this morning. He put a message in the chat that he cannot stay on the phone because he will get fired. He put his phone down and walked away, and then he disconnected after about an hour, so we're proceeding by default.
All right, we'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. And regarding the prior order that was signed on September 20th, 2017, the Attorney General is going to non-suit their request for a modification on that suit for modification.
All right.
And I would like to call Ms. Laura Garcia.
Okay.
Ms. Garcia, you are aware that we're non-suiting the request for modification, correct?
Yes.
And as far as arrearage amount, are you asking the court to confirm that Mr. Garza is in arrears in the amount of $14,675.52 in child support?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to order Mr. Garza pay that arrearage amount in the amount of $124 beginning May 1 of 2022?
Yes.
And in reference to the medical support arrearage, are you asking the court to find that Mr. Garza is in arrears $5,799.57?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to order that Mr. Garza reimburse or pay back the medical support judgment in the amount of $79 a month beginning May 1?
Yes.
And are you asking that court costs be billed to Mr. Garza?
Sorry, what was that?
Are you asking that the court order court costs billed to Mr. Garza?
Yes.
And have you reviewed and signed this order, believing it's in the best interest of your child today?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
All right, court will approve the order submitted. Thank